Oh, it's not possible. Okay, so I put it on. All right. Now I got this now. The snow don't have nothing on me now. Yeah, let it snow. Let it snow. I'm ready. How often do we take what's there because it doesn't match? See, it doesn't match. It's not suiting me. So you know what? I don't want to wear that boot. It looks like a duck. It's I don't know. But it's what's required in order for me to get from here to there. Because what would happen? I would then slide in the snow. I would then slide. I would lose grip. I would even lose ground. Oh. But then sometimes, as we're traveling, can you see this rope I have here? Okay, as we're traveling from this season to the next season, there comes a time when I gotta let some things go. I can't continue to have this snow boot when it's time for me to get to the blooming season. Because now it's gonna slow me down. Before it was giving me traction. So if you were in this, if you were in this season, and then you're tracking and you're travailing and you're making it through, I got my survival pack. I'm doing all I'm supposed to do, and then what happens? I get comfortable now. Oh, I get comfortable. And I'm like, well, you know what? Now I don't want to let it go. Oh. First I didn't want to put it on. Now I don't want to let it go. But see, the change came. I don't know if y'all can see, there's a flip-flop here. The change came. And I looked at it, and I said, well, I see it change. I get you trying to give me a message, God. But I'm comfortable. Why do I need to change? Why? That doesn't make sense to me. Well, it's not supposed to make sense to you. Just like you didn't want to wear the boot. You didn't want to do what was necessary for this season. Now you don't want to change for the next. And then you wonder why there's problems in between the seasons. That's why there's problems.